Hi, this is David McCann for WebTNG. In this video, I'm looking at the official WordPress browser extension. This is something new from the WordPress team. I've taken a look at it. I think it's really useful. I think it's probably something you're going to want to add to your web browser, so I wanted to share it with you. This is the page on WordPress.org that introduces it. You see it's available for Chromium-based browsers in the Chrome Web Store and for Safari on Mac OS in the Mac App Store. Let's go and take a look. You'll see I've already installed it here, but you can install it from the Chrome Web Store and pin it to show. And let's go now to another tab. Before I bring up a site, I want to show you what we have here, right? It says nothing to inspect here. And there's a place for my sites. These are the sites that I've visited that I logged into. You can edit the list to remove items or to change the name. You can go to the admin or you can go to the site. So let's go to webtng.com, for example. Now we're on a WordPress site. You notice that it changes from gray to blue. There's the option to log in in a new tab, log in and return to page, or log in and return to page in a new tab. There's highlight blocks, mobile preview, bypass page cache, clear site data, but keep the login. So let's look at this highlight blocks option. I'm going to refresh the page. We see that it's still enabled, but we're not really seeing any highlight of blocks there. Okay, if we go to a particular page, then we start to see the highlight of the blocks, and we see the block type there. Now this is using the Cadence theme. Let's go to another tab and let's go to My Sites and go to MetaBlocks Test. Okay, this is using a block-based theme. This is 2025 theme. I'm going to turn on that highlight blocks. And now we see something totally different. We see the block hierarchy. It's a group, query, post template, post group, post title. Okay, so that's much different than we saw on a classic theme. Let's go to a post. Here it's telling us template part, group, group. Here's the breadcrumbs to the nav items. This is pretty useful information, be helpful when you're debugging CSS. I'm logged in. I'm just going to log out. Go back to the home page. Okay, let's turn that off. And let's try mobile preview. Let's try login. Okay, so I'll log in. So we see now it's identified it as a local development site. You see these options change depending on the context. So this is the official WordPress web browser extension that's available for Chromium browsers and Safari on Mac OS. Hopefully they'll be able to create a version for Firefox as well. And I hope that this video is something that is useful for you and that you learn something new. If so, please, please, please subscribe to the channel and give the video a like. It makes a big difference. Thank you for watching.